This is a Chucky Beat production.
Starting off, you are going to need to cut 6 toilet paper rolls like this. Cut a hole and you'll see why in a minute. It is 1.5 centimeters from each edge and the width is 4.5 centimeters. Next, cut a small circle to fit both ends of the roll like so, and glue them together. I forgot to mention that you also will be needing a hot glue gun. This is what it looks like, then just trim the circles. Here's what they all look like when they are glued. Make an arc and the arc height is 3 centimeters. Then I'm going to cut them with my nail scissors. Do that 6 times. This one is 15 centimeters, the second one is 13 centimeters, and the rest are normal size toilet paper rolls. Here are all my pieces lined up and now it's time to paint them. As you can see, there are 3 extra rolls on the side, but I end up using 6. Now let's glue them together. As you can see, I used 6 and I was too lazy to paint them, but you can't see it anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
A few moments later.
So here's what it looks like, and it took me forever to organize it, and even after the video, I reorganized it again.